Good day, everyone. This is Group 3, and we're here to present our chosen SDG, which is SDG 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities. We're also here to present our Dream Setup computer. Let's start off with the overview that will be presented by Bayu.
Bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick overview about our setup. So, SafeHub is a computer-based monitoring system designed to help make communities in the Philippines such as Quiapo and Tondo safer and more secure. Bale, our setup is integrated with an AI software that helps detect unusual movements such as snatching, loitering, and etc. Kasi baka mamaya may gripo ka na pala sa tagiliran tapos wala man lang tutulong sa'yo kasi walang nakakita. If na-detect ka ng CCTV namin, makakapag-alert agad dito sa mga operators, which can then quickly notify yung mga kapulisan for prompt action, di ba? So, Bryant, what makes our setup special nga ba?
So, what makes it special? Our system is special because it uses AI-assisted CCTV cameras that can help to detect human unusual activities such as theft or crowding in real time. How that is served the chosen purpose? It is served its purpose by providing a faster and smarter way to monitor communities. When the system detects unusual activities, it alerts operator, and who can then notify the police and barangay officials.
So, as you might have already noticed, our setup is inclined on Sustainable Development Goal number 11, which goal is to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable, which is tugma sa aming objectives. In accordance with this, our project also aims to create a safer environment with the help of technology.
So let's move on to what makes our setup different from regular setup. Well, unlike regular computers, they are mainly used for personal or office work or schoolwork. Well, our setup is specifically designed for community safety because it includes CCTV connectivity, AI detection, and a backup power system.
System unit is the main body of a computer that contains essential hardware components that make the computer work. Dito nakalagay ang motherboard, CPU, ang nagsisilbing utak, RAM para sa pansamantalang memorya, storage drives, power supply, at ports and connectors.
At ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin ang storage device na nakalagay sa aming setup. May dalawang storage device na nakalagay sa setup namin, which is itong SSD at itong HDD. Ang primary purpose ng mga storage device na nasa setup namin is para ma-save yung mga data or mga na-record ng CCTV na videos.
Central Processing Unit, or called CPU, is like the brain of a computer. It's the part that does most of the thinking, calculating, and decision-making to make our computer work. In our project, CPU or system unit runs the monitoring and AI software.
So one of the most important components in our SafeHub system is the monitor. This allows the operator to see different angle or multiple angle of the camera at the same time and track any unusual activities. By having this, the operator can quickly notice the unusual behavior, verify alert, and take necessary action such as notifying police and barangay officials.
Keyboard and mouse. The mouse allows the operator to easily navigate the SafeHub system, such as viewing live CCTV feeds, zooming in on specific areas, and quickly respond to AI alerts.
Microphones is used in security system, which helps police in communicating quickly Moreover, they allow officers to send voice messages, share updates, and coordinate real-time actions.
And speaking of keeping watch, our CCTV camera is also not your typical normal camera wherein it just records footage. Our camera is smart enough to spot or analyze suspicious movements and activities, and it also sends real-time alert to the nearby officers within the area.
This is our next component, which is the solar-powered UPS. At kung hindi nyo pa alam, ay nangangahulugan ang uninterruptible power supply, which nire-recommenda ito kapag mga nasa area ka ng mahilig mag-power outage o kaya mag-power surge. Dahil sa paraan na to ay naiiwasan natin ang damage sa ating system unit. Ito rin ay nagsisilbing second or backup power sa system unit.
Router and switch. Dahil ang computer natin ay mostly kinakailangan ng Wi-Fi for AI assistance, kailangan din ito ng router and switch, kung saan lahat ng devices at lahat ng mga camera ay mako-connect sa computer para ma-access ng mga devices na ito ang internet connection.
Yung printer sa Safe Hub system ay ginagamit para mag-print ng mga importante reports at incident records. Mahalaga ito para sa proper documentation ng mga pangyayari at updates sa security operations. Sa pamamagitan ng printed reports, mas madali maipasa ang impormasyon sa mga opisyal na barangay o local authorities.